Hello everyone, it's Nicola here, back with another video. We're just going to be doing some carp fishing today. Just a chill video, trying to get some carp. We got two rods out. We got our 12-foot rod and then our just regular catfish rod. Here's our first rig. We'll be doing pretty similar things on each rod, just a North Carolina rig, down to a size 6 hook with 2 kernels of corn. Not too far out. There we go guys, a big rod, so we're running the same exact thing. There's the first one. First fish of the day, guys. Oh, he's fighting good. Oh my. We need to bring him over here without snapping him. I knew my line was acting weird. Yeah, he seems good. I didn't really get a good look at him yet, but he seems like a good fish. Missed one and we're on the board for this guy. Let's try to land him. I don't know how good he's hooked. He's fighting good, so that's a good sign. Don't do that. Oh, and he snapped off. Oh well. There's the first loss of the day, guys. That sucks. That pretty quick. There we go, guys. Glad we got that on camera. Let's try not to break off this guy. Hey, would you mind netting him for me?
Yeah, I can try.
Alright, thanks. Yeah, this is my second guy. I just broke off on another one. Oh, this is my second fish on this giant pole, so I'm just hoping that other rod doesn't go because I've been getting bites left and right on both of them. Trying to get some footage in. If you don't mind on being on YouTube,
I don't care.
can you just get that? Can you get that in the water? He should be right there. Yeah, he's small, but I don't want to break off. These rods are big for a reason. I'll try drag him in here, just get it in the water, and oh, he's really small actually. Oh, okay, now that he's lopsided, yeah, perfect. Quick. Frick.
Where did he go?
Right there. Thank you, man. I appreciate that, dude. Do you guys need pliers? I got them too.
Nah, he's good. He dropped them.
All right, appreciate that, man. If you guys need the net again, just holler at me. I got you. There we go, guys. Ooh, he's a chunky guy. If you guys want to touch him, that's totally fine.
What's that?
You guys want to touch him?
You want to touch the fish, you guys?
Here, I'll pick him up for you guys. So.
Ooh, he flaps around, doesn't he?
Yeah.
very strong. That's
Yeah,
big old fish.
he's a strong one.
Look.
Pretty small compared to some of the guys that are in here. Oh wait, let me get his fin out of. Buddy, you're hurting yourself. Yeah, they got some sharp fins. All right, there we go. Oh, frick.
Oh, he's gonna flop himself right back into the water.
If you guys want to pet him real quick, he's slimy.
Can you touch him? Yeah,
You guys
he's
want-
slimy, isn't he?
You guys want to touch him? He won't hurt you.
You sure?
Yeah, all right.
All right, thank you.
Absolutely. There we go, guys. First fish of the day. A good grassy, or a good common. Plop him right back in. Oh, I broke off on a much bigger one. All right, guys, well, it turns out I didn't get that last fish on this camera. Thank God I had the GoPro, because got it on that. So you guys can still see him.
YouTuber?
Sorry?
Are you a YouTuber?
Yes, sir.
What's your YouTube?
I've got 2.
Wait, hold on, never mind. I can't. What's you fishing for? See you later.
My main one is the FCS board. I just made
Are we gonna be in a video? Will you be in a video? Hello, I'm stuck.
on another one. He's decent. He's pretty good. All right, guys. There we go. Oh, that was a good idea, clearly. Got him. Oh, he freaking took that quick. Break. There we go, guys. Oh my gosh, he's taking line. Did he break off? No, he broke off. Oh, bro. Why do all my fish keep breaking off, bro? Oh, guys, there we go. Another fish broke off. Let go! Let go! Go! Frick. Dodge! Help me net him! Can you help me net him? Oh, okay. Frick. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, guys. But I have another fish on. He doesn't feel as big, but he still feels good. Please don't lose him. No, the other way maybe? Yep. I'd rather have him take so much drag than lose him, guys. Frick, take drag, bro. Take the freaking drag instead of snapping the line, bro. Oh, these guys are throwing rocks over here. Oh, I didn't even get to see the rod bend. Frick, just take line, take line. Take line, bro, instead of, please don't snap me. Please don't snap me, bro. I really need him to not snap me. Where even is he, bro? Bro, I can't even see him, guys. He's right here. Please don't snap me, bro. Please don't do that. Please don't do. Please, please, please don't do that. Please, bro. Please don't do that. Please don't jump. I need to reel a little bit more. He's not even big. He's just. He's not even hooked that good either. No frick, bro. Yes, got him. Ah, fala pouco. He's barely hooked. There we go, guys. I'll bring him over to you. Dad, you want to see him? Thank you. He's not that big, but thankfully he didn't snap me off. Does Dale want to pet him? Here, wait, let me hold him.
Probably not. Oh my God, that's a nice looking fish. 1, 2, 3. Good job, baby. Wow.
Thank you. You want to pet him?
No. Are you gonna release him?
Yeah.
Okay.
Common carp. Thanks. All right, guys, we are back. Let's just show you guys him real quick. Hopefully it was recording that time, because I'm gonna be pretty pissed if it wasn't. Yes, it was. I hope, right? Yep, we're good. Here we go, guys. Fish number 2 of the day. He's very dark for some reason. Fish number 2 of the day. He's very dark for some reason. But there he is. After missing so many fish. There he goes. The best mixture. But don't quote me on that. I bought the wrong type of corn yesterday. I accidentally bought green corn, but luckily I still had some sweet corn lying around. So I mixed the mushy corn or the paste, whatever I say, creamy, and I just mixed it up, and it's working. So trust me, you do not need mushy corn. Just literally just get corn water, strawberry jello, and a bit of breadcrumbs, and sometimes oats if you want. That's all I use, and it works amazing for me. So do your thing, but that's what I do. Let's get back to fishing. Fish number 2 landed. Fish number 4 that we missed. Oh my gosh! There it goes. There we go. There's another fish. Fish. All right, maybe the bite's turning on. Thank God I let it sit out there that time, but this is a lot easier to fish with this rod because it's smaller and it's still strong. Maybe I should loosen my drag a bit. Yep, how about we go ahead and do that? So this thing doesn't snap us. See, that's why I balance it on that, because it will get completely stolen. Yeah, I am recording. He doesn't feel huge. He is a fighter though. Let's try to, maybe we won't land him, but let's try our best to. I'm really hoping the other rod doesn't go, because if it does, that's gonna be scary. Because you can do it with like even trout, you can double up easily, and sometimes with bass, but with carp and like giant catfish, it's hard. Okay, he's definitely a bit better. I don't know if my knot's good enough, but and he's still small. Come here, bro. Oh, got him. There's another fish, guys. Oh no. Matea! I wonder if my... there we go, guys. This guy's bigger. All right, let's get our pliers. That's awesome, guys. Getting another fish. I'm pretty sure this guy's the biggest one of the day. We had this guy hooked. He wasn't going anywhere. See, this guy's a lighter color. Now the bite's turning back on. Hey, buddy, please don't do that. Please, you're just hurting yourself when you do that. Just calm down, calm down. And you snap the hook. Good job, dude. This is what I have to deal with. You're not getting back in the water until I get that hook out of your mouth, because you might want to live like this, but I'm not gonna let you live like that. So we'll just, I don't know, they've all been about this size. There we go, guys. Another fish. Probably about 2.5 pounds. That's really all I have to say. I'm gonna go ahead and release this guy. Good sized fish. Let him live another day. Alright guys, that's where we're gonna wrap it up today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I think we landed 3 and we missed a ton more. Bummer, but hey, that's fishing for you. This bronze game bite, I don't think it's anything, so we'll just wrap it up, and thank you guys again for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye.